on the map with the vision so clear. Christy got the vibe, bringing love right here. Alana and Chris riding dreams in the lane. Soulful Miles, yeah, we're changing the game. Driven by faith we roll, guided by family.
What's up, everyone? Let me tell you how we finally found this truck. 'Cause let me tell you, it was a journey. My wife and I, we looked at multiple websites. I mean, we were scrolling for weeks. Then we went to over 10 dealerships just looking. 10! And every single time it was something else. Either the deal wasn't good enough, or I just felt like the salesman was trying to hustle us. You know that feeling when something just don't sit right. And I just didn't have that feeling. That was happening to us over and over. Dealers were encouraging us to buy new, they'd give us incentives and everything, but the price just wasn't what we wanted and where we wanted to be at. And we knew what we wanted. I wasn't trying to get the basic trim, the low stayed within our budget. So I was looking for F-250 that had to have a diesel, and that was like a non-negotiable. Because we're pulling our RV, our fifth wheel. So we needed that torque, that reliability, that power. But here's the thing, we also knew our budget. And spending $80,000 to $90,000 on a truck that we like is just not realistic for us at this time. So we were locked into finding a good used diesel. And we searched all over the place, in multiple states and everything. And that's when we stumbled into a Ford dealer and found a Ram 2500 diesel. And I totally fell in love. And we purchased it. We're here at the boat and RV show, about to make our down payment, so we could secure it. This is a big step for us, so we're very excited. What you think?
We are excited to get back out on the open road.
All right. We'll keep you guys posted.
Taping the whole thing?
Yeah, we just trying to make a little YouTube videos.
Oh, cool. I like the camera.
Oh, thank you. Well, we're here at the Louisville RV show with our salesperson. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. I'm still learning how to use this gimbal. But it's a big thing. This is a big day. A little bit of nervousness, a lot of bit of nervousness. But we're gonna take a step out on faith on this one.
I'm getting ready to be empty nesters soon, so it's time to get back to us and disconnecting and having quality time, doing what we love.
And so what we're doing now, to be a little bit transparent, is that we got a great rate and everything from our credit union, but Camping World wants to match and see can they beat it. And we could take that back to our credit union and they'll match it too. So we're kind of playing the negotiation game right now, you know, on the rig. Okay, we'll keep y'all posted for the next clip. Have a good one.